Say, echo. On the lookout.
Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. Healing vibes, the herb make me strong. Every puff a blessing, the journey long. With Jah guidance, me right the wrong. Healing vibes, me a chant the song. Inna the early morning, me feel the breeze. Spliff inna me hand, the minor teeth. The healing vibes, it a flow like seas. Ganja inna the heart, just spirit please. Babylon a fight it, but them can't prevail. The herb where Jah bless it will never fail. Me say one jar a piece, make the love detail. The healing vibes arise, make the wicked pale. Me say light it up, let the healing flow. Ganja inna the heart, the vibes fi grow. Jah wisdom inna the herb, it a always show. Healing vibes, Jah love we know. Healing vibes, the herb make me strong. Every puff a blessing, the journey long. With Jah guidance, me right the wrong. Healing vibes, me a chant this song. From the hills of Zion, the ganja spread wide. Feed the youth and the elder, Jah spirit abide. Babylon can't stop it, them only divide. But the healing vibe strong, Jah love collide. Me chant it for the people, me chant it for the soul. With the herb in me system, me reach me goal. The meditation deep, the wisdom whole. Ganja bring the vibes, we make we console. So me say healing vibes, the herb a guide. Jah love in me heart, me can't hide. Blaze up the chalice, make the smoke divide. Healing vibes, Jah love worldwide. Herb for the future. Herb for the future. Herb for the future. Herb for the future, me say plant the seed. Ganja as the healing it fulfill we need. Babylon a tremble, Jah children lead. Herb for the future, it's a righteous creed. Inna the earth, Jah spirit reside. Herb as the blessing, Jah wisdom guide. From the root to the flower, Jah love provide. The chant for the ganja, the truth can't hide. The healing for the nation, we say legalize. Babylon can't hold we, Jah people rise. Every puff of prayer, Jah open me eyes. Herb for the future, the vision wise. Me say rise up the chalice, let the fire burn. The herb a Jah gift, every man feel learn. From the past to the present, the tables turn. Herb for the future, the vibes confirm. Herb for the future, me say plant the seed. Ganja as the healing, it fulfill we need. Babylon a tremble, Jah children lead. Herb for the future, it's a righteous creed. The system want fight we, but them can't prevail. The herb where Jah bless, it will never fail. For the youth and the elder, the ganja trail. We say blaze up the fire, make the truth unveil. With Jah inna me heart, me can't go wrong. The Herb as the anchor, me spirit strong. Me chant it for the people, the vibes prolong. Herb for the future, the anthem song. So me say chant it loud, let the ganja chive. Jah loving of the herb, it make me survive. The power of the plant, it keep we alive. Herb for the future, Jah children strive. Anthem, the rhythm in my soul. Blaze up the fire, make the good vibes roll. From the roots to the sky, Jah love control. High grade meditation, make the whole world whole. The first puff of the morning, my spirit ignite. Ganja in my system, me feel the light. The struggle pon the journey, me still a fight. Babylon can't stop Jah children might. From the hills to the valley, the ganja spread wide. Every man and woman let the herb be the guide. Selassie I bless it, Jah wisdom reside. Lift up the chalice, let the vibes collide. High grade blazing, the message clear. Jah loving at the smoke, me no feel no fear. The herb in a me heart, the path draw near. Lift up Jah name, make the blessing appear. High grade anthem, the rhythm in my soul. Blaze up the fire, make the good vibes roll. From the roots to the sky, Jah love control. High grade meditation, make the whole world whole. The power of the herb, it a free the mind. Ganja man chanting, the vibes combine. Babylon can't stop the healing sign. Jah loving at the ganja, so divine. Them a legalize it, but them heart still cold. The herb a Jah gift, it can be sold. From the youth to the elder, the story told. Ganja bring peace, make the world unfold. Every puff of prayer, the ganja guide. Me say light up the fire, make the smoke divide. Jah loving at the air, the spirits abide. High grade meditation, make the vibes collide. So me chant for the ganja, me chant for the way. With the herb in a me and me I see brighter day. Jah bless the ganja, the vibes fi stay. High grade anthem, me I sing and pray. High grade anthem, high grade anthem, high grade anthem, high grade anthem. Sin enough control every. High grade anthem. Sin enough control every. High grade anthem. Sin enough control every. High grade anthem.
vibes can done. Rise up the chalice, give thanks to the sun. Inna the hills, me say the healing begun. High grade meditation make the wicked man run. From early morning, me a hear the birds sing. Spliff inna me hand, it a bless everything. Selassie I guide me through the trials and strife. With the herb inna me palm, me connect with life. The system wa oppress we, but we still a strive. Ganja feed the people, make the nation thrive. Babylon a pre, but them can't take me smile. Herb inna me lungs, make me walk the mile. High grade blazing, feel the inspiration. Chanting praises, feel the healing vibration. With the herb inna me soul, me find salvation. Jah light the way for the whole generation. Smoke and freedom, the vibes can done. Rise up the chalice, give thanks to the sun. Inna the hills, me say the healing begun. High grade meditation make the wicked man run. Me trod through the valley with the fire in a hand. Every puff when me take me overstand Jah plan. Them criminalize the herb, but me know it's Jah work. Babylon can't stop the truth where them murk. In a every little corner me see ganja grow. It's a gift from Jah Jah for the vibes we know. Me say burn the oppression, make the spirit flow. Smoke rise to the heavens, make the blessing show. Every puff a revelation, the wisdom flow. The herb and the teacher make the knowledge grow. Selassie I bless me, the vibes are glow. Me say light up the fire, make the whole world know. The system will control we, but them can't succeed. With the herb in me hand, me a plant this seed. A message of freedom for the youth we need. Fi know say the ganja are the true man creed. Me say share it in a love, no bother with greed. Ganja man a chant, it's a righteous deed. Rise up the chalice, let the spirit feed. Babylon can't stop, Jah Jah proceed. Smoke and freedom, the vibes can done. Rise up the chalice, give thanks to the sun. Inna the hills, me say the healing begun. High grade meditation make the wicked man run. So me say burn it high, let the smoke reach the sky. With Jah Jah guidance, my spirit can die. Herb by the healing, no need fi ask why. Smoke and freedom, the truth can lie. Less up because go teary nine. Less up because go teary nine. Fire Pon Di Babylon, me chant it loud. Herb inna me and me a Pon Di cloud. From the mountain top to the city crowd. Ganja man arise, Jah children proud. Inna the heart of the struggle, me burn the flame. With Jah guidance, me call his name. The system try fi break we, but we still remain. Herb as me weapon for the mental chain. The healing of the nation, it can't be denied. Babylon a fight, but Jah spirit reside. Me say light up the fire, let the smoke divide. From the hills of Jamaica to the worldwide. Every puff a message, the truth can't hide. Herb inna me lungs, Jah Jah by me side. Rise up the chalice, let the fire guide. The spirit of the ganja make me stride. Fire Pon Di Babylon, me chant it loud. Herb inna me hand, me a Pon Di cloud. From the mountain top to the city crowd. Ganja man arise, Jah children proud. Them call it illegal, but Jah bless the seed. For the youth and the elder, it's a righteous creed. Inna every ghetto corner, me see the weed. Growing like the hope where Jah people need. Babylon a tremble when we burn it high. Ganja bring peace, make the spirit fly. Selassie I protect me, can't make me lie. Every puff of truth make the system cry. Me say chant for the herb, chant for the fight.
Rise up the fire in a Jah light. Babylon can't win, Jah children bright. Herbal's the healing, it can't go slide. So me say fire upon the wicked, fire upon the lie. Herb inna me heart make the spirit fly. The power of Jah love, me can't deny. Fire upon the Babylon till the day me die. Fire upon the Babylon, me chant it loud. Herb inna me hand, me a burn the cloud. From the mountain top to the city crowd, Ganja man arise, Jah children proud. Fire upon the Babylon, me chant it loud. Herb inna me hand, me a burn the cloud. From the mountain top to the city crowd, Ganja man arise, Jah children proud. Fire upon the Babylon, me chant it loud. Herb inna me hand, me a burn the cloud. From the mountain top to the city crowd, Ganja man arise, Jah children proud. Me walk through the valley with a spliff inna me hand. Everywhere me go, me say the fire can done. From trench town straight to the holy land. The ganja make me wise, it reveal Jah plan. The herb when me burn, it's the key to the heart. From the root to the leaf, Jah creation a art. Them want criminalize it, but me stand for the truth. Me say free up the ganja for the elder and youth. Smoke it up, I let the vibes get strong. Riddim inna me soul, make me chant this song. Ganja man a soldier, we a fight too long. Jah bless the herb, me say we can't go wrong. Blaze it up, high grade inna me brain. The smoke arise, wash away me pain. Babylon can't hold me, me spirit sustain. Ganja man a chant, pan Jah plain. Me no need no liquor, me no need no rum. Just pass me the chalice, make the wisdom come. Selassie I guide me, a chant for the drum. The power of the ganja make the wicked man run. Them legalize the herb, but me question them scheme. Them a profit of Jah work, but them heart still mean. Me say true legalization of the free up we dream. No more oppression, make the ganja leaf gleam. For the healing of the nation, burn the herb all day. Positive meditation, make the wicked man stray. Jah bless the herb, it a guide we way. In a every little corner, ganja light the way. Blaze it up, I make the smoke touch the sky. Meditation deep, me a see with Jah eye. The struggle for the herb, me no ask Jah why. I fi fight for the truth till the day me die. Them want regulate it, but them can't control. The power of the herb, it a free we soul. The story of the ganja for the young and old. Me say light up the chalice, let the blessing unfold. Blaze it up, high grade inna me brain. The smoke arise, wash away me pain. Babylon can't hold me, me spirit sustain. Ganja man a chant, pan Jah plain. So heal up the farmer where ya grow it so pure. With the love inna the soil, Jah blessing secure. Every puff when me take, me spirit reassure. Blaze up the fire, make the vibes endure. Jah bless the herb, it a grow inna the yard. Babylon can't stop me, them take it too hard. From
Kingston to Cali, the ganja man a chant. Lift up your chalice, make we give Jah thanks. He said the green leaf for the healer for the nation, natural remedy for all the frustration. Burn it in a chalice or roll it in a paper. Me link me brethren, me say light up the vapor. Babylon a watch me, them no like me meditation, but me a warrior, me firm pon Jah creation. Me say one love, one heart, that a the foundation. Reggae beat strong, feel the high vibration. Heal up the farmer where I plant it on the hill. Rainfall bless the crop, Jah provide the skill. The ganja it pure, me no need no pill. Natural highway Jah instill. Jah bless the herb, it a growing at the yard. Babylon can't stop, we them take it too hard. From Kingston to Cali, the ganja man a chant. Lift up your chalice, make we give Jah thanks. Me burn it for the healing, me burn it for the vibes. When the Riddim a drop, me feel so alive. Selassie I guide, make the fire ignite. Me say pass me the light and make me blaze up the night. The elders them a teach me say the herbal wisdom. Every puff when me take me connect with Jah kingdom. Babylon a fight it, but them can't stop the thing. Ganja man a chant, the truth we a bring. Roots and culture in a every puff. Good vibes make the world feel enough. Light it up, burn it up, feel the rush. Ganja me a praise it and make me blush. Them a legalize it now, but still them not true. Them want tax the herb, but Jah give it for you. Me say plant it in abundance, make the people them free. Me a talk to the youth, keep it roots in a green. In the morning, me a sip me herb tea. Meditation strong, Jah talk to me. The ganja me bun, it a holy decree. Blaze it up high, let the smoke set we free. Jah bless the herb, it a growing at the yard. Babylon can't stop, we them take it too hard. From Kingston to Cali, the ganja man a chant. Lift up your chalice, make we give Jah thanks. So me say, hail up Jah, the most high king. With the ganja in a hand, me a hear angels sing. Positive energy na the vibes me bring. Ganja man a chant, make the freedom ring. Jah bless the herb, it a growing at the yard. Babylon can't stop, we them take it too hard. From Kingston to Cali, the ganja man a chant. Lift up your chalice, make we give Jah thanks. Jah bless the herb, it a growing at the yard. Babylon can't stop, we them take it too hard. From Kingston to Cali, the ganja man a chant. Lift up your chalice, make we give Jah thanks. Jah bless the herb. Zion echoes, ay ay ay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me a answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. From the roots of creation, me hail Jah name. With the chalice in a hand, me a blaze the flame. Babylon a fight, but we stand the same. Jah wisdom inna the herb, it's more than fame. Inna the hills, the ganja grow strong. With the healing vibes, it a carry we along. Selassie I guide me, Jah love prolong. Me chant this song for the whole world belong. Every Jah blessing, the vibes elevate. Herb inna me heart, me a meditate. The chalice pass round, no bad hesitate. Roots and chalice, the vibes resonate. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. Me say chant it loud, make the message spread. Herb inna the chalice, the meditation read. Babylon a fight, but Jah children fed with the roots and the herb. The spirit no dead, from the ghetto to the hills. We all unite with Jah guidance. Me trot through the night. The herb as me armor, the vibes feel right. Chant down Babylon, me say hold Jah lights. Me say roots and chalice, the anthem strong. Herb inna me and me a chant Jah song. The healing of the nation, me say pass it along. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't wrong. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Right, correct. Roots and chalice. Right, correct. Rasta man so high.
This a Ganja Prayer. Me chant to the King with the herb in me hand. Jah blessings me bring. The smoke rise up, make the heavens sing. Ganja feed the nation, make the joy begin. This a Ganja Prayer. Me chant to the King with the herb in me hand. Jah blessings me bring. The smoke rise up, make the heavens sing. Ganja feed the nation, make the joy begin. First light of the morning, me a bun me spliff. Meditation strong, Jah spirit uplift. Babylon can't hold me, me a drift. With the ganja in my soul, the vibes a gift. Selassie I bless me, me walk with pride. With the ganja as me shield, me can't divide. Me say one love, me nah go hide. The herb are the key, Jah wisdom provide. Me say light it up, let the fire burn. The chalice pass round, every man feel learn. Ganja man chanting, the tables turn. Babylon system, at the herb we affirm. This a Ganja Prayer. Me chant to the King with the herb in me hand. Jah blessings me bring. The smoke rise up, make the heavens sing. Ganja feed the nation, make the joy begin. From the hills of Jamaica to the city street, the power of the herb make the mission complete. Every puff when me take, me I feel the heat. The chalice ignite, the rhythm sweet. Babylon a free, but them can't intervene. The herb when me burn keep me spirit clean. The fire in my soul like a laser beam. Guided by Jah, me living the dream. Every breath a blessing, the herb a guide. From the root to the leaf, Jah wisdom reside. Lift up the chalice, make the vibes collide. Herb in me heart, Jah love worldwide. Me say chant for the ganja, chant for the love. Lift up Jah name to the heavens above. With the herb as me anchor, me spirit move. Babylon can't stop, Jah groove. The healing of the nation, me chant it loud. Every man and woman, me see them proud. The herb in the hand, make the smoke from cloud. Ganja man a lead, me say no doubt allowed. This a Ganja Prayer. Me chant to the King with the herb in me hand. Jah blessings me bring. The smoke rise up, make the heavens sing. Ganja feed the nation, make the joy begin.
fire ignite. From morning till night, the vibes feel right. Babylon can't stop your children light. We burn it for the love, make the future bright. Me say roots na me heart, chalice inna me hand. Herb inna the center, Jah guide me plan. The struggle still strong, but the vibes can't done. The ganja bring peace, it a shine like the sun. From the hills of Jamaica to the streets abroad. Everywhere me go, me say the ganja get applaud. The healing of the nation, me a chant it loud. Lift up the chalice, burn it high on the cloud. Hail the Rasta man where I keep it pure. Roots and culture make the blessing sure. The herb in my system make me spirit soar. Jah guide the chalice, me say love endure. Roots and chalice, the fire ignite. From morning till night, the vibes feel right. Babylon can't stop Jah children light. We burn it for the love, make the future bright. Me say herb inna me pocket, herb inna me soul. Meditation strong, me no lose control. The message of the ganja for the young and old. It's a story of freedom, we still untold. Them want fight it, but me say stand strong. The power of the herb, it a carry we along. Me burn it for the vibes, me burn it for the song. Jah inna me heart, make the fire live long. Chalice on the table, roots inna the place. Every puff when me take, me feel Jah grace. Lift up the vibes, let the smoke embrace. The power of the ganja, it can't replace. Blaze up the chalice, make the healing begin. Jah love inna me heart, me can't stop the thing. From the roots to the leaf, the power within. It a guide the people through every sin. Me say burn it in a unity, burn it in a love. Lift up Jah name to the heavens above. The ganja where we burn, it a blessing from Jah. Positive energy make the world camper. Roots and chalice, the fire ignite. From morning till night, the vibes feel right. Babylon can't stop Jah children light. We burn it for the love, make the future bright. So me say, pass the chalice on the left hand side. Jah guide the youth, make the spirit abide. With the herb in the hand, me say love collide. Roots and chalice, the blessing worldwide.
alright. Like the nights we feel through the sad night. Stretching for sight, forcing kind. Whoa. Light beat, but they feel so time. There's the lights, there's the sky. Changes stance, a few wicked friends. Standing breeds, it takes a vibe. Whoa. The sons of God that feel so light. We won't survive.